Welcome to Fort Nonsense Brewing Company, located at 220 Franklin Road, Randolph, New Jersey. Three brothers, Andrew, Thomas, and James. Love for brewing began by getting a beer kit for their father, and then became their obsession. After years of home brewing and trying many craft brews, they decided to open Fort Nonsense, which ties the patriotic history of Morristown and George Washington, and many of their names come from this history as well. Across from the restroom were these pieces of artwork, and I happened to notice one of the pictures were their can art from their Oktoberfest beer. Fort Nonsense outgrew their location on Route 10 in Denville and moved not too far in Randolph to a much larger, more industrial feel location. Towards the back, they are ready for all their festival parties, and you can see behind the Christmas tree is their barrel-aged beer that they are brewing for future projects, and across the way are their fermenter takes. With 16 different beers on tap and a seltzer, the choices were difficult to choose from, so we went with a flight. We had one flight of the same drink, and second, we changed it up just to try a little bit of everything. Here's how they break down their brewing process. If you want to dive deeper into the flights we had, for the first flight, go to Cooking with Stupid on their YouTube and Facebook page for the tastings. And for the second flight, go to last week when I tried a Fort Nonsense tasting. So tune into those, and I hope you enjoy. What I am going to tell you is that I enjoyed the Arnold Tavern Porter so much I had to take a 4-pack home. And if you go there, definitely grab this on pint or grab a can to go. Until next time, cheers.